Hey, by the way, guys, I'm also alone on this. The cool boy had to go. Hey, I had to sleep. I have to do this. I gotta find this app first. Hey! I just found it. Hey! I like it there. Okay, yeah, he definitely heard me. Alright, I just need to get back to my house and I'll be good. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. I'll put it in here. I think I'm gonna leave this off here, even though this is very short. I didn't want to make it long. Also, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to Love the Cool Boy if you're new, and hit that bell button if you're new, and also comment down below. And hit those neighbors. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me change my thing so whenever I'm gonna upload this, I don't die remember. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.